Hey guys, hopefully you got to see me unbox the huge pallet that I got this little box out of. Now this little box actually contains quite a bit of money, at least I hope so. This was all the jewelry from bulk.com pallet that I got, and it looks like jewelry, watches, things like that. So I'm actually going to unbox the jewelry, just this individual stuff, for you to see exactly every item. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, here are all the things that came out of the jewelry box. I know it doesn't look like a lot, and I really hope it's got some good money in it, but we're going to go through each individual item. I say let's start with the little stuff, and we'll kind of move our way up to the huge, giant, pretty, beautiful, looks like lots of money box. So we're going to pull all these things out of the way, and we're going to kind of individually go through things. What I will plan on doing is I'm going to use my barcode scanner, which I've got right here, and I'm going to be scanning the LP tag to find out what does bulk even call it, and then Paul will go ahead and show you what each individual item is as I describe it off the bulk manifest and tell you what their original retail price is. So here is the first set of earrings, is what those are. Earrings. And so I'm going to go ahead and scan the bulk manifest and find out what exactly are they. Are they real? Are they 18 karat? We're going to look for a maker's mark, all of that kind of stuff. So this is actually called Golden NYC Jewelry. It is an 18 karat gold brass Valentine crystal pair of earrings, set yellow. And they said the original retail price of these actual earrings are $482. Does it have any maker's marks? Let's look. We're going to look very closely at this. Paul's looking for the maker's marks. So it says it's 18 karat gold. As you can see, it clasps open like this. And then there's your earring hook, and then it clasps back closed. So it's a very trendy, cute looking earring. And so we're going to actually look it up and see, is it real? These might be actual items we take up to the local pawn shop just to see, are they actually worth more than what we could resell them for? So very, very beautiful. You don't see any maker's marks on those?
I am not seeing a maker mark, at least not on this one.
Okay.
And they should be marked if they were that precious metals.
I see something on the inside of this guy. It's just really hard to read. I think it's an 18 karat mark on that one. So, yeah, it was right on the inside arm there. It's kind of hard to tell. We're going to be looking at these next to find out what those are. Yeah, there's a mark in here. I just need to get the magnifying glass out. I think it says 18 karat. Got my eagle eyes out today. So yes, so these are called, again, when I read it, it says it's a pair of golden NYC 18 karat gold brass Valentine crystal pair of earrings set. Okay, so those are those. If we were to get any money out of it, I think I'd probably take it to the pawn shop with hopes to get maybe $30 out of them.
Well, if they're worth 400.
Well,
I'll tell you what. Why don't you look these up?
Okay, by their name? Yeah.
Maybe there's something about that maker. There is a mark. You are right. It's very faint.
It's tiny.
Some of you can maybe see it there. Very small. Right there. And we think that might be 18 karat.
Okay.
18K. There's something there.
I'm not finding these exact ones. Golden NYC Jewelry.
Yeah, you might not find the exact one, but just see if we're on the same track.
It's difficult to find.
They are very pretty.
Yeah, why don't we take these to the pawn shop and we'll get them checked out at the pawn shop. Because I think that we just don't have enough information.
It has a connection at the pawn shop.
I do have a connection at the pawn shop. All right, so we're going to put these away, and these will be TBD, to be determined on prices. All right, and then the next one looks like Sabarsky Crystals to me. Yeah, I will scan it. We'll let you pull it out and show them while I scan it. All right, I'll let you open that, and I'll take the scanner scan. All right, these are, let's see. These, they don't have any info about. It's considered a, hold on, let me scan it again just to make sure that I did it right. Yeah. Those look like dangly Sabarsky crystal ones, but they're not currently, they don't have any, this is one of those general merchandise jewelry.
Really?
Yeah, so I don't think there's any maker's marks or anything on these. They're just very, very pretty dangly earrings, and so I think we could definitely get maybe about 15, 20 bucks out of the pair of earrings for them. So I'll have them checked out, but I think as of right now, we'll probably just sell them on the fire sale for $20 for the pair. Okay. So right now, that's kind of where we'll be with those. All right.
Yeah, you just put them in that one.
Okay. And then we have these ones here. If you want to get those out, I will scan it as soon as I get these other pair put away. Okay, those are big, giant Angelique Paris hoop earrings.
Big hoop earrings.
Yeah, really giant hoop earrings. So we're going to scan, let's find out what these are even called. These are called Nina and Grace Women's Endless Hoop Earrings, size 80 millimeter, and they are original retail price only $24 for those. So I'd say we'd probably just sell them on the fire sale for about 10 bucks, $5-10. Okay. Maybe stick them in a lot. So I'd say, what, $5 on those?
$5?
Yeah, $5. They're really big hoop earrings. Take you back to the 80s, but we'll stick them in the
precious metals.
No, they're not precious metals. All right. So Paul, you take your pick. Which one do you want to do?
Let's go. Keep going from small to big.
Small to big, I guess. All right. So we got $5 on those. I'm gonna put the $5 price tag. Whoa! What is that?
There's a watch for you.
There is a watch for you. Good night. That thing is impressive. What even is that? All right. It looks like that is a Archibos. Men's Archibos 12 diamond markers, multifunction, stainless steel bracelet watch, yellow gold. There is actually an ASIN for Amazon. So let's see if we can look it up on Amazon and see what it's worth. So we're going to use the ASIN for it. Is it working or not right now?
It's working.
Okay, I found it on Amazon.
Nice.
I'm trying to request approval. I can't sell it because probably this maker has exclusive rights, I would guess. But it is on Amazon.
What's the price?
It's selling for $55 on Amazon. I would have thought more, but as of right now, $55.
That's still not bad.
Yeah. Bulk Manifest, just FYI, has it listed for $500. So that is definitely wrong.
Added a zero there, did they?
Yeah, I guess so.
Well, look at some of the other ones because there's different
colors. They're all going for $55.
Okay.
Well, this silver, there's a gray one that's going for $76.
Oh, okay.
But all the other ones
just added a zero.
Yep, they did. So they inflated that MSRP,
Yeah.
Did they not?
I'm thinking maybe, what did you do? 25, 30?
Yeah, let's go $25 on it.
$25 on it? That'd be
Yeah.
half of what you get it for. And it is in working condition.
It's really nice.
Beautiful watch.
Sure you don't want to keep that? Put your fancy watch on Sundays? Actually, no, you like your smartwatch.
I would look too fancy.
Too fancy? You don't want to look too fancy?
Yeah.
All right, so $25 for that men's watch. That's nice.
A little bit more money.
Mm-hmm. There we go.
All right, here's the biggest one.
The biggest one. All right, let's
close.
Scan it.
Almost looks like factory seal tape, actually.
Scan it and
strange tape. Is that working for you?
Nope. There it goes. There it goes. All right. So that one is a Rain Men's Commandos Automatic Watch Black. This one, they say the MSRP is $815, which I feel like is going to be wrong.
Watch, though, I have to say.
Is it cool? And on Amazon, it's on Amazon for $652.
Holy buckets.
Do you think we can sell it? Is it working? I cannot sell this brand, but I bet we can list it online. So this one is actually a really legit $652 is what it's going for. On Amazon. You know what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the UPC and see if it's not being sold on eBay. Let me check eBay real fast. Because, you know, we obviously can't sell it on Amazon, but let's check eBay.
I don't see the secondhand watch.
Yeah, it's selling for $652. It's sold for $652 on eBay.
Really?
I believe so. Yeah, that's completed listings. Yep. So this one's brand new. $652. So I think we just made our money back.
More than what we paid for the entire pallet.
That's worth it.
I'm trying to see if the second hand is moving, but that doesn't look to me like it is moving. I don't know if there's a battery issue or what the deal is on it.
That's a nice one. So what do you think we could sell it for? You wanted half it and just say $300 for profits?
Well, if it's sold on eBay for $652, you probably can get close to $600 for it.
Yeah, okay.
I don't know if you wanted to do this on a fire sale. I say we give it a shot at a fire sale. But
I want to make sure it's working in good working condition. I'll probably bring it to my Pawn Star guy. But it has a certificate of authenticity and everything. So it's an authentic Rain watch.
I'm trying to see if I can get that second hand to move.
Might just need a new battery. There it goes.
It almost started going. Huh. I saw it move for a second.
It probably needs a new battery.
Yeah, it could. I don't know where a battery would go in it.
Well, I would take it to the pawn guys.
It does whine fine.
You know what? I wonder if it's a motion activated one. Is it motion? Let me look at it on Amazon.
What that would even mean.
When you move it, it winds it. Analog dial.
It's a nice heavy
Yes,
watch.
it's an automatic movement watch. So as you wear it, it winds the watch.
Huh.
So that's why the second hand's not moving.
Interesting.
Yep, it's an automatic movement watch. We had a lady in Yarmouth when we lived up there that had an automatic movement watch. So like it kind of it winds up and it'll go overnight when you're still, but then when you wear it during the day, it winds it up. Manually winding the mainspring briefly before wearing the watch and periodically throughout the day increases the power reserve and helps the wear mainspring more evenly. So you can manually wind it before you wear it, and then it automatically builds up power as you use your movement.
That is actually kind of cool.
Yeah. So that's how it works.
So on a fire sale, I'd say we give it a shot. But how much would we go with?
I would charge $600 for it.
I say we go nuts. $500 on the fire sale.
Okay.
Just because it's our fire sale.
Yeah.
And then people might not go for it.
Yeah.
But if not, we could sell it on eBay.
Yep.
That is awesome. This is fantastic.
That's worth it. Right there.
Oh, yeah. Worth the entire pallet.
Yep. So awesome. Awesome. So we have...
That was it?
Yeah. So basically, 528. So if we sold that for $500, and then the other watch for $25, and then we had the big hoop earrings for $5, and then the other earrings for $20, and then those other ones are to be determined for the price, then we are at a total already of $550 just on the jewelry alone. And so, boom, $550 plus. We're going to wait and see how much those other earrings that are 18 karat gold are worth. So maybe more than $550. So that is super awesome. So what a surprise on that watch. Was that not amazing? So hopefully it's been fun to watch us go through the jewelry items in this bulk.com palette, which was totally worth it. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. Well, that has got to be one of the biggest surprises I have ever seen, taking out of a box. Just a few items I thought, oh, maybe we'll make, $100. Not $500 on one item. That's amazing. So we're definitely going to make it available in our fire sale so you guys can do your research on it if you'd like. I definitely told you what it was called, and I'll try to put the description down in the description box below so you can look it up yourself. But that was a sweet watch, wasn't it? Thanks for watching.